Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change the owner of a Google form. It's super fast and easy. So let's get started. First, just open your Google Forms and select the form that you want to transfer ownerships of. And then make sure you are logged in with the account that currently owns the form. And then next, just click on the add person icon, this one. That's the little person with a plus signs like this. And then just tap on it like this. And then on this here, this box, just type email address of the person that you want to make the new owner. For example, like this. And then just change their access from responder or viewer to editor like this. And then next, you can also write a short message if you want to on here. For example, like this. And then just tap on send like this. And then your form already sent to them. And then next, once you have added them as an editor, refresh the page and then just click and add person again. And then you will now see the new person listed and editor in here. Just click the drop down next to their name and then select transfer ownership. Just tap on it. And then just tap on send invitations like this, and Google will send an email invitations to the new owner. They just need to accept it from their inbox, their email inbox. After they accept, the ownership of this form will officially be transferred to them, and you will become an editor instead. And okay, that's it. Super simple, right? Now you know how to change the Google Form owner in just a few clicks. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.